Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD recovers losses as rout on equities abates analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID 6816 FD 910 2020 12:001 AM AUD Australian dollar. The Australian dollar rallied through trade on Wednesday, recouping losses and pushing back towards 0.73 US cents. Having struggled to maintain any upward momentum throughout the domestic session, the risk-off backdrop abated overnight, allowing the AUD to follow equities and other risk assets higher. Having touched intraday lows below 0.72, the AUD pushed through 0.7250 to touch 0.7290. With little of note driving the move, it is clear sentiment continues to govern direction, while underlying macroeconomic fundamentals continue to take a back seat. With investors responding to headlines rather than data sets, there is heightened likelihood of ongoing volatility across currency markets as we move into the final quarter. We still expect the AUD to hold on to recent gains and test new highs as positive sentiment continues to fuel demand. Attentions today: domestic inflation expectations and U.S. unemployment claims as markers of economic health. A breakback above 0.73-0.7310 could help fuel another run towards 0.74. Key movers: the US dollar slipped off 4-week highs on Wednesday amid improved risk sentiment and a euro upside. The Singe currency found support Tuesday ahead of today's ECB policy meeting. Reports emerged ECB policymakers were confident in the state of the European recovery and optimistic the region's recovery is on track. With little change expected in regional forecasts, we expect minimal changes in the official outlook, allowing the ECB to maintain the current program of QE. With the risk of a dovish surprise removed, the euro pushed back through 1.18 to touch intraday highs at 1.1831 before edging lower into this morning open. The Great British Pound struggled to respond to the improved risk backdrop as fears new British legislation on post-Brexit plans would derail Brexit talks. Despite a statement from EU official confirming they would not suspend talks at this point, the pound failed to break back above 1.30. As talks continue, we anticipate heightened GBP volatility, with investors adjusting expectations for a trade agreement. Attentions today remain squarely affixed to the ECB press conference, with little else of note on the macroeconomic docket, while equity performance and broader market sentiment will continue to drive direction. Expected ranges: AUD 0.7190 US dollars 0.7360 AUD 0.6080 euros 0.6230 GBP 1.7720 Australian dollars 1.8080 AUD NZD 1.0850 1.0950 AUD 0.9480 Canadian dollars 0.9620 Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.